People often ask me if retargeting is a capability that LinkedIn has. LinkedIn definitely has retargeting capabilities, and there's something that I definitely recommend starting every time you build out a new campaign so that you can have these running in the background to capture anybody that engages with your page or with your lead forms or with anything like that. So they're really easy to build out. They don't cost any money to build. They just run in the background capturing information. And then once they get to a specific size, you can be able to target these. So what you do is you go into your LinkedIn campaign manager. Over here on the left, you click on this little compass that says plan. You click on that and you simply just go to audiences. Then you're going to go to create audience and you can upload a customer list, things like that. What we're going after right now are retargeting. You can go to retarget by company page, event, lead form, video, anything that you want to. So right now, for example, what we'll do is we'll do a lead gen form. So you click on lead gen form, so you name it, you'll name it. We'll just go ahead and name this test. And then how did they engage? So you can say only people who submitted your form, people who opened your form. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna say that they engaged with the last 90 days, and then we can choose the campaigns that they engaged with. And you just let this run in the background and it will continue to build. And then when it's big enough to run, you just go ahead and create a campaign with this targeting in it and adjust your messaging and your ad copy, and you have a retargeting ad ready to go. So really easy to do. That's something that a lot of people don't know that LinkedIn has the capabilities, is to run a retargeting campaign. And so, like I said, I recommend setting this up every time you build out a new campaign so that you can always have retargeting for every effort that you're doing, so nothing is lost. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.